Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Right here is my retail shelf. If you are interested or need any skincare products, be sure to click the link down below. My website is www.glambylialeigh.com. Today's facial is going to be a dermaplaning facial, focusing more so on the exfoliation and brightening and texturizing of the skin. We want to smooth the texture, more specifically under the chin and neck area. I'm going to start off with this hydrating almond oil cleanser by Cosmara. This cleanser is super gentle on the skin. As you can see, it doesn't really get foamy. It stays its milky gel texture. Working this into the skin for about 2 to 3 minutes along with the steam. This is going to help break down any makeup that the client may have on, any products as far as moisturizers, serums, and even sunscreen. Time to remove this cleanser and any debris that may come off with it with 4x4s. These are cotton 4x4s. Going in with my Lira Clinical Pro Exfoliating Cleanser, the highlighted ingredients are lactic acid, salicylic acid, bearberry extract, orange and lemon extract as well. If a client was to use this product at home, I would typically recommend for the cleanser to only be used 2 to 3 times out of the week starting out, just so the skin can get acclimated to the ingredients. A lot of times, sometimes ingredients can be extremely disruptive to the skin, and sometimes clients may feel like, oh, it's too strong or my skin's not agreeing with it, when in actuality you just need to lessen the times of the year that you're using the product and use it along with a moisturizing cleanser, something that's going to put back and hydrate the skin as well. Using my cherry enzyme from SkinScript RX, this enzyme has 5% lactic acid, 5% mandelic acid, 1% arbutin, and 1% kojic acid. This enzyme is typically designed for skin types that are normal to combination with pigmentation issues. It's going to help to deeply hydrate the skin, and it also protects from environmental damage while relieving the surface of aging and pigmentation issues. The arbutin and kojic provide extreme lightening capabilities, which is why this is definitely in my arsenal of enzymes that I love to use from SkinScript. Be sure to make all of the enzyme is removed from the skin. You don't want it to be over processing or just sitting extra long on the skin. Now to tone the skin with the cucumber toner. The overhead shot that I typically use when doing extractions, somehow my phone did not record, so this side angle is the only angle that I got. She really didn't have many extractions, honestly. She had some extractions on her nose, which is typically, it's usual, it's common. So I did those, and I pretty much wrapped that portion of the video up quickly. Using my 10R surgical blade, these are the blades from Dermaplaning Pro, and I'm also going to be using the Vital C hydrating oil from Image Skincare. The dermaplaning portion of this video is super sped through because the treatment in real time takes, a pretty good amount of time when filming. So for video purposes and editing, I sped through a lot of it and really chopped it up for you guys. I hope you guys aren't upset about that. I hope that everyone can still enjoy it. So y'all let me know in the comments. Are y'all okay with it being sped up? Or would you prefer real time and it just being chopped up? Making a cocktail mask with the Ormetic Balancing Gel Mask. This is an ultra gentle gel mask that instantly soothes and refreshes delicate, dry, and tired skin. It also hydrates the skin and restores the balance with smoothing botanical extracts and organic aloe vera. I also added in the Aluma Intense Brightening Serum from SkinScript. This helps to brighten the skin a whole lot. I use this in my personal routine at home, and I feel like I'm missing something in my routine whenever I don't add this in. It has a smoothing formula with brightening botanicals, vitamin C, and the vitamin C is ascorbic acid. It also has bearberry leaf extract to deliver a fading effect to sun damage. These Cosmara masks are new to my treatment room and I'm loving them so much. And a little bit about these masks. They are 1 part gel, 1 part powder. This is the green tea mask 2050, and it also has lavender in it to help calm the skin, moisturize the skin, and it also acts as an antioxidant. The small tube of the hydrating serum is a boost of hydration that is added into the mixture when mixing up the mask. Right now, I am adding an extra exfoliating toner booster to her skin. This is the glycolic and retinol solution. This is going to help to exfoliate gently and also brighten those areas of pigmentation that we are working on. Going back in using the Aluma Intense Brightening Serum, I'm going to also add this with the Prevention Plus Daily Matte SPF Protection from Image Skincare, and this is what I'm going to use to moisturize and protect her skin. Lastly, I'm going to add the Image Ormetic Balancing Lip Complex. Lovely on the lips. She looks amazing. I hope you guys have enjoyed yet another facial tutorial and follow along in my treatment room. If you guys are loving these, please be sure to share these videos with everyone you share your skincare videos and tips with. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And please comment down below. I love reading everyone's comments. Thank you so much, and I'll see y'all next time.